Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about cloud-native databases, scalability, resilience, distributed architecture, automation and orchestration, containerization. Let's enjoy. Cloud-native databases are database systems specifically designed to operate in cloud computing environments. They leverage the principles of cloud-native architecture to provide scalability, resilience, and agility for modern cloud-based applications. Here are some key characteristics and considerations of cloud-native databases. Scalability. Cloud-native databases are built to scale horizontally to accommodate fluctuating workloads and growing data volumes. They leverage cloud infrastructure services, such as auto-scaling and elastic resources, to dynamically adjust capacity based on demand. Resilience. Cloud-native databases prioritize fault tolerance and high availability to ensure continuous operation in the face of failures or disruptions. They often employ replication, data redundancy, and distributed architectures to maintain data integrity and resilience. Distributed architecture. Cloud-native databases are designed with distributed architectures that span multiple geographic regions or availability zones. This allows for data replication, disaster recovery, and load balancing across distributed infrastructure, enhancing performance and reliability. Automation and orchestration. Cloud-native databases leverage automation and orchestration tools, such as Kubernetes and Docker, to streamline deployment, management, and scaling operations. They support infrastructure as code principles, enabling infrastructure provisioning and configuration through code. Containerization. Cloud-native databases are often containerized to facilitate deployment and portability across different cloud environments. Containerization enables encapsulation of database components, simplifies deployment workflows, and enhances resource utilization. Microservices integration. Cloud-native databases seamlessly integrate with microservices architectures, allowing individual database services to be independently deployed, scaled, and managed. They support APIs and service meshes for communication between microservices and databases. Managed services. Cloud providers offer managed database services that are fully managed and operated by the cloud provider. These managed services handle tasks such as provisioning, configuration, backups, monitoring, and patching, allowing developers to focus on application development rather than database administration. Security and compliance. Cloud-native databases implement robust security features and compliance controls to protect data in transit and at rest. They offer encryption, access controls, auditing, and compliance certifications to meet regulatory requirements and industry standards. Data integration and interoperability. Cloud-native databases support seamless integration with other cloud services and data sources, enabling data integration, ETL, extract, transform, load, and analytics workflows. They provide APIs, connectors, and data pipelines for interoperability with various data sources and applications. Cost optimization. Cloud-native databases offer cost-effective pricing models, such as pay-as-you-go and consumption-based billing, to align costs with usage. They also provide cost management tools and optimization recommendations to help organizations optimize their database spend. In summary, cloud-native databases are designed to leverage the scalability, resilience, and agility of cloud computing environments. They provide distributed architectures, automation, containerization, and managed services to support modern cloud-native applications and workflows. By embracing cloud-native principles, organizations can build and operate database systems that are highly scalable, resilient, and cost-effective in the cloud. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.